Hi everyone, in this tutorial we're going to look at this problem, that is Itertools combination with the replacement. So here is the problem, and this tool returns add length of subsequency of elements from the input iterable, allowing individual elements to be repeated more than once. So to understand the problem or how to go about the problem, you can read more on the details provided. So this is the sample input and this is what we're supposed to print out, or this should be our output. And let's get started from Itertools. Import combination. So here we have to pick the inputs, that is st and the n, which is equal to map. We're going to map str input function and dot split, and from there we're going to convert n to integer. We'll convert n to integer, then we're going to give m to be a variable to be combination with replacement, whereby we're going to sort it, and we'll pass our st there and we will pass our n there. Then we're going to have a loop here for I in m. We're going to print dot join, that is, we're going to join I. And let's fix one more error here, add those braces there, so that you don't get errors when we run the code. And you can see it passed.